In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I made these beautiful coconut oat slices. Now, I will be using another family recipe and I promise you it's going to be good. Without further ado, grab your aprons, turn on your ovens and let's get baking. Today's video starts with creaming the butter and the caster sugar together.
Sorry.
Okay, I'm satisfied that it's fluffy enough now to start adding the rest of the ingredients. Super simple recipe. Bang all the ingredients together and we're ready. Next I'm going to add the golden syrup and mix that in for a bit, and then I'll add the rest of the dry ingredients. I have flour and baking soda. Adding that. Mix. Next ingredient to go in is oats. Okay, and I'm satisfied that that has had enough time in the mixer. Like, your last ingredient is coconut. In she goes. Whoop. Let's get that mixing. How clean this came off. Okay, it must mean that the dough is ready. Take a look. Everything clean off the sides, so I'm taking that as a sign that it's ready to be pressed out into the baking tray now for the oven. All that's left to do now is for us to press the dough into the cake tray, like this. The baking tray is pre-greased. The original name for the slice in Afrikaans is Skurwe Jantjie, and I was a little bit puzzled about why that name was given to it until just now. So when you translate the word skurf into English, it means kind of rough, dry, like weather beaten. And the coconut and the oats mixed in this dough, when I press it with my fingers, it feels really rough and dry and weather beaten under my fingers. And I guess that's where the name comes from. It's ready now to go into the oven. I'm going to bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for 40 to 45 minutes or until golden brown. Now that it's out of the oven and it's still warm, I'm going to chop it into its slices so that we can have squares-ish. all done. Now just let it sit, cool down, and then we'll do the taste test. Now's the time for my favorite part of the video, the taste test. My squares have turned out really golden brown, and I guess it's partly due to the golden syrup in here, but one of the main ingredients is butter, so I guess that had something to do with it. Delicious, crunchy, crispy, sweet, toffee-like, with a hint of coconut, a really tiny hint of coconut. And I'm surprised by that, considering the amount of coconut that went in here. Delicious. I'm loving it. I'm happy with it. And I guess it's another success in the books. Let me know in the comment section below whether you have a favorite oat slice recipe that you enjoy to make for your family. Thank you for hanging out here with me on Making It with Dee. Please consider subscribing to my channel. It's free of charge, no cost to you whatsoever, but you will really be helping me out. If you enjoy videos like these, please feel free to check out the other videos on my channel, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.